everyone, so today's video is going to be on how to style patterns and prints, and this is something that I really struggle with myself actually. I find putting prints and patterns together really daunting, and I'm sure I'm not alone on this either. So I thought I'd put together some tips and tricks so that you can wear them easily without feeling silly when you go out. So I really hope you enjoy it, and let's get into it. So tip number one, if you're wanting to wear prints together, so you know, like an animal print with a polka dot print, or like what I've got on here, so this is kind of like a Dalmatian print, I think it's called, with a star print on the bottom. Try and go for a small print with a large print. So for example, on the top here I've got a small print, so this Dalmatian print is quite small. A lot of the print is kind of close together, whereas on the bottom I've got this star print which is quite large, it's spaced out. So when you put the smaller print with the larger print, the smaller print acts as the neutral in the outfit. So where you would probably wear a kind of plain white top with this, if you were going the easy option, by wearing a smaller print, this just acts as the neutral, so it acts as the kind of solid colour, if that makes sense. So for this look, I've just got on this star print skirt. This one was from River Island, and this top which has the Dalmatian print on it with the flowy sleeves, which was from Misguided. And yeah, that's just one of the ways that I would wear prints together, and that rule is a really easy rule to follow, and you can implement it no matter what colours you're wearing. It doesn't have to be black and white prints. This could be like, I don't know, a red top with a red skirt. So I don't know, you might want the neutral colour on the bottom, so you could go for a small print on the bottom and then a larger print on top. It doesn't matter which way around you wear it, it just works as a good kind of rule. So the next tip is, if you're usually the type of person who would wear patterns with a neutral colour, maybe like nude tones or whites or blacks, try switching it up for a metallic colour. This is just if you're a bit bored and you want to try something different. Metallic is a great way to do this, again because it acts as the neutral colour against the pattern. So for example, I've got on this polka dot one shoulder frill top, very over the top, from, I think it was from Boohoo, but I'll leave a link to it down below. And I'm wearing it with this shiny silver skirt which I got from ASOS. And the skirt just very much dresses it up, but it also acts as the neutral in the outfit because it's a metallic tone. You know, you can kind of put it with any pattern and it'll work. So yeah, metallics are a great kind of alternative to the neutral tones. If you're getting a bit sick of wearing black, white with your patterns, you can try, you know, gold, rose gold, or silver like this. And I just think a metallic tone is a great option if you're not really sure what to wear, or maybe you have some metallic items in your wardrobe and you don't know what to put them with. Patterns are a great option, and I just love the fact that they act as the neutral, so really you can have any style of pattern. It doesn't have to be polka dot, it could be animal print, you know, Dalmatian print, anything, and it will kind of work with the metallic. So another really easy way to style patterns is with denim, and you could again switch up what way you're wearing this. So for this look, I've got on a denim shirt with a patterned skirt, but you could wear a patterned top with denim jeans, or, you know, denim culottes, denim shorts, a denim skirt. It doesn't matter which way, it's just a really good way to pair patterns with something. So this top I think was from Forever 21 a few years ago now. I've had this for ages, and this skirt I think was from Pretty Little Thing, and I'll leave a link to it down below. But denim is just a really easy way to style patterns, just because again it acts as the neutral, and I feel like that's the kind of running commentary with this video, but it is the easiest way to style patterns just because they're so loud and in your face. You've got to kind of use other items as the neutrals to kind of balance them out, if that makes sense. So yeah, I really like wearing denim with patterned outfits. You could, again, it doesn't matter what size the pattern is. It can be a large pattern like the star print skirt I showed earlier, or a small pattern like this one with the floral print. Either way, denim is a fantastic option, again if you're just wanting to mix things up or you don't know how to style them. And also, I just want to apologise for my hair in this video today. I know it looks absolutely terrible. Honestly, it's just been one of them days for me today. Everything seems to be going wrong, and I don't know if I slept on my hair funny or something, but it just looked awful. So this is about as good as it's gonna get today, so I am sorry about that. It really doesn't look that fashionable or anything, but yeah. So then here is just what the denim shirt looks like with the star print skirt. Again, like I said, it doesn't matter if the print is big or small, any print will go with denim. Or even if maybe you've got on like a very patterned dress or play suit and you don't know what to put over the top of it, a denim jacket is a great way to style it. The next tip is to stay in the same colour range if you're wearing two patterns together. So for example here I've got on a black and white leopard print top and I'm wearing it with the black and white skirt, and because they're similar colours, so they're in the same kind of like tonal range, they're just easier to match together. So for example, if you had kind of like, I don't know, a green pattern top on, it's best to go for kind of like a green pattern or something, you know, maybe there's a little bit of red in it, you could wear a red skirt with it. It's just good to stay in the same kind of colour tones. It just makes it easier when you're putting the outfits together. So I think this top was from Pretty Still Thing, and obviously this is the River Island skirt. It doesn't have to be the main colour in the top or the skirt, you know, maybe there's a floral print and it has a tiny bit of blue in it, you could then wear a blue print on the bottom, or if maybe you had a yellow top on with loads of yellow flowers on with a little bit of white, you could go for kind of like a white print on the bottom. It's just about kind of identifying key little colours in the top or the bottom and then matching them together without it being really matchy. And if you're really unsure on how to kind of style a pattern, black and white is a really easy way to go. So I feel like out of all the patterns, black and white is my kind of go-to, just because I know I can style it easily with things I already have. So other black and white prints, or just a plain black top or a plain white top, or you know, plain black jeans. Black and white is just such an easy colour combination to put together. So if you're not sure about styling patterns, go for a black and white pattern with another black and white pattern, and then as you get more confident putting them together, you can try different colours, and like I said, picking out key colours from different outfits. And yeah. And of course, the easiest way to style patterns and prints is to wear them with a neutral coloured top. So I've got on here a plain white top from ASOS with this patterned green skirt from Pretty Still Thing. And I personally really like to go for just a plain top when I'm wearing a really bright coloured pattern like this, just because honestly I find it so difficult putting them together, and I just feel like if you just don't know what to put with it, just wear a neutral colour, a metallic colour or denim, and you're good to go. So that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you did like it, or if it did help you. It would really help me out, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments too. Maybe you have your own kind of tips on styling patterns. I'd love to hear them, and I'm sure everyone else would in the comments as well. So please share them, and yeah, have a great day, and I'll speak to you all in the next video. Bye guys.